Welcome back to my channel where we delve into effective hair care without breaking the bank. Today, let's explore the ultimate strategies for repairing damaged hair, focusing on three essential pillars: hydration, gentle handling, and nourishing treatments. Each of these elements plays a crucial role in restoring health and vitality to your locks. Hydration is undoubtedly the cornerstone of hair repair. Start by selecting a moisturizing shampoo and conditioner designed specifically for dry or damaged hair. These products are infused with ingredients that replenish lost moisture and revitalize your strands. To intensify the hydration process, incorporate weekly deep conditioning sessions using a rich hair mask. This treatment penetrates deeply, helping to soften and rejuvenate your hair from within. Don't forget to apply a leave-in conditioner after each wash. This will keep your hair hydrated throughout the day, preventing it from becoming brittle and prone to breakage. Furthermore, consider trying overnight hair masks that work their magic while you sleep, providing deep hydration and repair during your night's rest. Gentle handling is another vital aspect to consider when restoring your hair's health. Overbrushing can lead to unnecessary damage, so be mindful of how often you brush and the type of tools you use. When your hair is wet, treat it with extra care. Opt for a wide-tooth comb to avoid tugging. Furthermore, when drying your hair, replace rough towels with a soft t-shirt, which will absorb moisture without causing friction. For those cozy nights, invest in a silk pillowcase that reduces friction while you sleep, preventing frizz and breakage from the constant rubbing. Limiting heat and chemical damage to your hair is paramount. Always apply a reliable heat protectant before styling to shield your strands from the damaging effects of heat. Additionally, try to adjust your styling tools to the lowest heat settings and minimize the frequency of use. Avoid harsh chemicals which can severely stress your hair. Instead, focus on regular trims to eliminate split ends that can reinforce damage. Nourishing products enriched with peptides and amino acids assist in repairing the hair shaft and restoring shine. Lastly, remember that diet and lifestyle significantly impact hair health. A balanced diet rich in protein, vitamins, and minerals supports strong hair growth. Staying hydrated is essential for both your body and hair, so drink plenty of water. Protect your hair from the sun's harmful rays by wearing hats or using UV protectants when outdoors. By implementing these nourishing strategies, you will give your hair the love it deserves. For more tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for tuning in.